Hello 10th class student. I myself UP Singh in front of you. Today student we will solve some problem related to your exercise 3.3 of NCERT book. So let us see solve by substitution method. Student, you have already studied what is substitution method. Let us see how we can solve one by one problem from this chapter. First question number 2 of your NCERT book. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Means that you have to find the value of m after finding y and x. So let us see how can you do this. First of all, take here equation. First equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Second equation 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. So from equation first we get here, this is the equation first. So start from first. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Therefore x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Let this is the equation number third. Now student, on substituting x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2 in equation second, we get here, before substituting, first of all write the equation number second. Here the equation number second, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now substitute the value of x here, 11 minus 3y by 2. Then this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then it will be minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Again here 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 11 minus 3y and minus 4y, it will be minus 7y is equal to minus 24. Next, this imply minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. So therefore y is equal to here 5, 7, 5 ja 35 here. Again from equation number third we get here x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Here the equation third. Look at here. Here the equation third. Now substitute the value of y here. Here y. So 11 minus 3y by 2 is the third equation. Now substitute the value of y here. 11 minus 3 multiply 5 by 2. This imply 11 minus 15. 3 5 ja 15 by 2. 11 minus 15, it will be here minus 4 by 2. 2 2 ja 4. So therefore x equal to minus 2. Now you have to find other value of given question, and that is the value m. So let us see in next how can you do this. Here given that y is equal to mx plus 3. Now put the value y 5 and x minus 2. Y equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2 we have to find already. So here this implies 5 equal to m multiply minus 2 plus 3. After transposing this side, it will be 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. 5 minus 3, it will be 2 is equal to minus 2m. So therefore m is equal to minus 2 by 2, it will be minus 1. So this is the result of m. So this question is completed. Another question I have taken from the same exercise, question number second of third. Look at here. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Student, here you know already what is supplementary angle. If the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then the angle is supplementary. So here let the larger supplementary angle is equal to x and the smaller supplementary angle is equal to y, because here according to your question, larger and smaller, here both angles are given, and one statement means one equation will be find out by supplementary. So here the first larger is x degree and second is y degree. So sum of these two will be 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 180. This is the equation number first. Now come to the question. Here larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18. लार्जर मैंने क्या लिया है, here larger angle is equal to smaller angle plus 18, और मैंने लार्जर क्या लिया है, x लिया है. तो in place of larger put here x and in place of small put here y. So x is equal to y plus 18. Therefore another equation x minus y is equal to 18. This is the equation number second. Again solve it also by substitution method. So from equation first we get x plus y is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus y. Let this is the equation number third. On substituting, x is equal to 180 minus y in equation second. Second is here x minus y equal to 18. In place of x put here 180 minus y is equal to 18. It will be minus y and minus y, it will be minus 2y is equal to, when you transpose this 180 this side, then the sign will be minus 180 plus 18. This imply minus 2y is equal to minus 162 minus 180 plus 18. It will be minus 162. Therefore y is equal to minus 162 by minus 2. It will be 81. Now put this value in third. Here the third is x is equal to 180 minus y, and in place of y put here the y value 81. So in place of y put here 81, then x is equal to 180 minus 81 is equal to 99. Hence here larger supplementary angle is 99 degree and a smaller supplementary angle is 81 degree. Next question again I have taken from the same chapter number 3.3, question number 4 of 3. Look at here. The taxi charge in a city consists of a fixed charge together with charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. Find fixed charge and per kilometer charge. Also find traveling a distance of 25 kilometer. And in this question, here two charges are given. First one, fixed charge, which will be constant, and another additional charge according to kilometer. It will be variable. How can you understand better? So look at here with graphics. Suppose student, बैरिया चौक से शेमुहान का टैक्सी चार्ज जो फिक्स है ₹10 है। अब उसी टैक्सी वाले को यदि आप बोलते हो कि चैनपुर लेकर चलो, जिसकी दूरी 10 किलोमीटर है, ठीक है। अब टैक्सी वाला आपसे अलग से चार्ज कहेगा और बोलेगा कि मैं पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से चार्ज लूँगा, और उसने बोला कि पर किलोमीटर चार्ज मैं ₹8 लूँगा, ठीक है। तो अब क्या होगा, फिक्स चार्ज तो आप बैरिया चौक से छेमुहान गए वो लगेगा ही, और छेमुहान से चैनपुर जाने में ₹8 के हिसाब से 10 किलोमीटर चार्ज ऐड होगा। तब क्या होगा देखिए, देन फिक्स चार्ज प्लस 10 इंटू 8, 10 किलोमीटर है और पर किलोमीटर चार्ज कैसे ले रहा है, ₹8। तो टोटल चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा, 10 फिक्स चार्ज प्लस 10 इंटू 8, it will be 80, means you have to pay ₹90. So in this question, look at here. Here the fixed charge is given and charge together for distance covered. यहाँ 10 किलोमीटर दिया हुआ है, तो फिक्स चार्ज तो जो मानेंगे वो ऐड होगा ही, और 10 किलोमीटर का पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से चार्ज लगेगा। अब कैसे देखिए, यहाँ लेट द फिक्स चार्ज इज इक्वल टू ₹X एंड पर किलोमीटर चार्ज इज इक्वल टू ₹Y अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन। फिक्स चार्ज प्लस 10Y, यहाँ 10Y क्यों किया गया, क्योंकि 10 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर किया है और 1 किलोमीटर का चार्ज कितना है, ₹Y है, तो 10Y हो जाएगा। तो X प्लस 10Y इज इक्वल टू पेड कितना किया, टोटल 105 टोटल। इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑल्सो पर्सन हैज ट्रेवल 15 किलोमीटर विथ फिक्स चार्ज, रिमेंबर, एंड पेड ₹155. सो देयरफॉर नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन विल बी हियर X फिक्स चार्ज प्लस 15 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल किया और पर किलोमीटर चार्ज ₹Y है, तो यहाँ हो जाएगा 15Y. सो X प्लस 15Y इज इक्वल टू 155. नाउ solve it by also substitution method. From equation first we get here x plus 10y is equal to 105. Therefore x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Equation number third, on substituting x is equal to 105 minus 10y in equation second, we get here, first of all write the equation second, x plus 15y equal to 155. Now substitute the value x, 105 minus 10y plus 10y is 15y is equal to 155. Now this imply 5y is equal to 155 minus 105. So 5y equal to 155 minus 105, it will be 50. Therefore y equal to 50 by 5 equal to 10. Now find the value of x. So take here equation number third. From equation third we have x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Now substitute the value of y here, 10, here 10. So 105 minus 10 into 10 it will be 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. Hence, student fixed charge of taxis is rupees 5 and per kilometer charge of taxis is rupees 10. Now another value you have to find for the same question. Find traveling a distance of 25 kilometer, but it will be added here additional charge in this question also. Charge for 25 kilometer, it will be here fixed charge plus 25 into 10, 5 plus 25 into 10 is equal to 5 plus 250, 25 into 10 250, it will be 255. So charge for 25 kilometer, it will be 255. Student, your homework is exercise 3.3 remaining question. Do your homework regularly and send your homework on WhatsApp or on school app for checking by every teachers of different subject. It will be assessed for your internal examination and marks will be allotted by your school. Thank you. Have a nice day.